Today we have an install on 6 elements turbo inlet. This is for the Veloster N, but it can be fitted for the Kona N. So you'll be getting the turbo inlet, the boot, 2 clamps, and this gasket. So let's get started on the install. So you take off your intake, take off your engine cover. So you're gonna have to do this 10, and that 10 right here in the corner, this clamp right here, these hoses right here as well. You don't have to take these clamps out. You can literally just pop these out. They should come right out. Obviously, I already undid this. It's already loose, so you're gonna have to do that as well. That's an 8mm right here. Set your hoses to the side. I put it. This one will go there. This one, you're gonna have to move it around. I already loosened them up, but there's one right there. The bottom, right by the oil feed pipe. See that 10mm? There's another one down there in that corner. Go from behind the turbo, the ratchet, and literally force it. If you're getting the 6 element, you don't need this gasket anymore. So if it falls, oh well, whatever. But if you do need it, if you're using another brand, which like Forge, they require you reuse it. Just be careful you don't use it, honestly. I would do the bottom bolts first and then the top bolt so you can hold the gasket. See how it's on there? Just gun it off, literally. See, it's off. This is the gasket, and this is the last 10mm bolt on the bottom. There's a bracket on the bottom. See that bracket? There's a 10mm right there. You can either do it before you start it, or you can do it while the turbo inlet is loose. I'm gonna do it while it's loose because I find it easier. Grab a small 10mm wrench. Once you get it loose, you can get it with your fingers. This is the upgraded turbo inlet, and this is the stock one. Look at the difference. That is crazy. Like my fist could fit in there. My hand could only barely fit 3 fingers in that one. So putting in the new turbo inlet is literally reverse steps of what you just did to get the old one out. You get a long 1/4 inch extension with a U-joint style. Get some masking tape and wrap it around the 10mm. You're gonna wanna get back there. Kinda like gonna wanna force it back there. This rubber can bend again, like I said before, so you wanna get it back there like that. Gonna be difficult. Deep socket with a mini ratchet and just snug all 3. Just be careful with the gasket. The gasket could fall out on you because it's very thin. It almost fell out on me and it almost fell down. I got it on, so now we're just gonna install everything else.